Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to organize some makeup, and I'm doing a little makeover on my vanity / makeup area. I've been saving up for a while now and did some research just trying to find products with good reviews, and I placed an order with Amazon and ordered a bunch of things. So we're going to head into my bedroom. That's where I store my makeup collection, and we're going to do some organizing, maybe even declutter a few things. Who knows what will happen, but I'm super excited to finally do a little makeover, and I will be doing finally a makeup collection video, so that will be coming very soon. So without further ado, let's grab the camera and do it vlog style. Let's go see what we have to work with first, and let's get started. I'm excited. Let's go organize. Come with me. Come with me. Okay.
Da-da, 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 da-da.
Alright you guys, welcome to my little makeup area. This is where I store my makeup, and this is like my top part here, my little vanity storage. It looks a hot mess because I just got done filming, so I got my baskets here that I just carried from the living room. That's where I film, and this is where I store all the makeup things. So this is actually a dresser, and I did a makeover on it. I did a little sanding, did a little painting, and I do have a full DIY video on how I did this. I will link that below in the description box if you guys want to see how I did this little DIY project. So here's the top part that I mentioned. I really want to do a little makeover. This right here I'm not happy with at all. This was a DIY project I did forever ago, and it's falling apart. I mean, this is just nasty, right? I mean, it's falling apart. This little gem fell off. It's awful. I really don't like it. So I wanted to get something bigger to where I can put things that are new, things that I'm loving, everyday things, and just have like a separate drawer for everything. And then I'm not really that thrilled with my brush holder. This one's from e.l.f. It's so, like, look at this. This thing gets so disgusting. I really regret buying it because I didn't realize what the material was made out of. Yes, let's get started. I'm super excited. Let's do this. Alright guys, so here's what I have so far. We've got the container here. I kind of switched things around. We got some Q-tips up there instead of the eyeliners because it looked really cluttered. I didn't like how it looked. some sprays that I use every day, the mirror, and then these two containers are just, I found them, extra glass drinking glasses, and they work fine. I might end up switching that out, but that's maybe permanent, maybe temporary, I don't know yet. Definitely an improvement. I'm actually gonna have to call it a night and then pick this up tomorrow morning, so this will all be in the same video, so it doesn't really matter. Alright guys, so it is day 2 and I actually was able to squeeze both of my soft boxes in here, so hopefully the lighting is a little bit better today. Alright, so today's goal, what I did last night after filming, I had some spare time before bed and I went through all the things that were in my last little container and just kept the minimum products. So went through everything, so I have to somehow fit all of this, and there is a lot, into this acrylic container, so that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so another thing I want to do today as well is we're going to go through all the lip products, and hopefully I can fit everything into these acrylic lipstick holders that I bought 4 of them, and they hold 40 lipsticks each. I'm not too happy with all these like mismatched containers, and these are just like cut up boxes. These ones look okay, the ones from e.l.f. I want to take everything out here and have all of my lipsticks in this drawer. So this is currently where I'm storing the rest of my lipsticks, and these acrylic containers are really not for lipsticks, and as you can tell, they just slide around and they got knocked about, which I don't like. And here's all of my glosses on this side. So I would really like to have all my lip products in one area. This drawer here has a really bad crack on it, so I need to remove all this heavy lip products and put it in this drawer. And I think I'm gonna switch over all of my, here's where I keep all of my false lashes, some cloths to like spot clean my brushes with, and put everything in here, since all of this is really lightweight, because again, this drawer has a crack in it and all this weight here isn't good. So I really get nervous pulling this drawer out every time I want a lipstick. So we got a lot to do today. Let's get started. So I had to put this in the floor, so I'm sorry. This is like more vlog style. Sorry if you can see my feet. So I already have all of my liquid lipsticks here. Most of them did fit, and then I have the rest of them here. Wow. You know what? I did a huge declutter a while back, and then I decluttered even more lipsticks. This to me is still a lot. I mean, this is all of it. Besides what's in my purse and what's up there lipstick wise, this is my lipstick collection, and I have decluttered a lot over the years. I have done a lot of lip swatch videos, and I've gotten rid of a lot of old liquid lipsticks, things that have expired. All right, so let's just go ahead and fill this up. Alright, you guys, so I pretty much have all of my lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, lip glosses over here, but there are still some liquid lipsticks here as well mixed in. So unfortunately, these, like the ones from ColourPop and these e.l.f. matte lip creams, are not going to fit. It's going to look really weird if I put them like in the middle because they're so tall, and I can't close my drawer. So wow, I didn't realize how tall they were, but yeah, they're pretty tall. I'm thinking, okay, so I pulled out my, this is like my foundation drawer where I keep my setting sprays. So I'm thinking of taking these two, if they'll fit, and put them in here. And then, because this is obviously not going to fit in that little section there, I'm trying to find a little container to where I can put these lipsticks and my lip liners, because again, I would love to have everything together. So this drawer is a total disaster now. I really don't need to keep these anymore. I used to use these to dry my sponges, but I bought one of those Miss A AOA Studio like little egg holder thingy, and it works great. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out of this drawer. Alright, you guys, so I finally figured it out, and what do you know? I made it work! Oh, I'm so excited. So I had an idea to take that container that I had previously, and it actually fits. It just barely fits right here, and so I moved all of the tiered lipstick holders around and fit them in perfectly. I cannot believe that this actually fits. I was so, at first I was like, no way this is gonna fit in here, but it actually fits, and it's not too snug either. Oh my god, I can't believe it fits. So we have, you know, liquid lipsticks in the back, so I try to keep like the taller things up high, and I should be able to open and close the drawer. We'll have to see. And then this container is going to be perfect for, again, I had no idea where to store these very tall skinny lipsticks from e.l.f. the matte lip colors, which I love, but had nowhere to put, and they just kind of went, because if I put it here, you see this? Yeah, that's not going to work. If you have really tall lipsticks like this, you need something like this to store it in. It's not going to work in a regular lipstick holder. Anyways, here are all of my ColourPop lippy sticks, and the e.l.f. matte lip colors. They fit perfectly just in this one little section. I still have these two empty compartments. This one extra space, you know, it's great. And then here are all of my lip liners. Oh my goodness. So this works perfectly, and I should be able to shut the drawer, and I still have space if I want to add more lipsticks. So I am so happy. Oh my goodness. Let's see if it fits in the drawer. It fits, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Yep, it fits perfectly. So now I have everything that I need lip-wise. I have to be careful though and support the drawer when I pull it in and out. I have to remember to do that so that it doesn't break, because this is actually a lot of weight in here. But there you go. Everything fits. Everything works perfectly fine. Oh my goodness, so happy. That's my happy drawer. Alright, you guys, we are finally done. I am so happy with this makeover. Oh my goodness. So here's just a quick overview. Got brushes, the mirror, nice acrylic organizer, all of my everyday stuff. And then, like I mentioned, I took everything from this drawer and put it in here and organized it. And now all of my lashes. Oh my goodness, it was a nightmare in that drawer. And yeah, just trying to keep them all organized. So it's my lash drawer. And then here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet, but I just have some makeup remover wipes, a cloth there, and then I have all of my eyeliners. And then moving on, we have the foundation drawer slash sponge slash everything else in here. And yeah, it definitely looks a very vast improvement for sure. And then here is the lipstick drawer one last time. So happy with how this looks. It goes way back in the back. I can see everything. I have all my lip products together, which makes me so happy. Because again, everything was just kind of like in this drawer, in that drawer, up here. So yeah, if you guys want to see my full cruelty-free makeup collection, give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, of course, if you are new to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, and sometimes on Sunday as well, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today in this kind of vlog style decluttering slash cleaning slash organizing video. I love watching these types of videos, so I hope this inspires you guys to go through your makeup collection and declutter and organize and just kind of, you know, keep it simple and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, give it a thumbs up. I will catch you all in the next video, you guys. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye, guys.